What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I will be doing a technical analysis breakdown for Stellar Lumens against the US dollar, ticker symbol XLM USD on the Coinbase exchange. I will first be going over what I see in the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. This video is for entertainment purposes only. Please trade at your own risk. So here we have the daily chart for XLM against the US dollar. We will go over the bearish side of the story first, and then we will go over the bullish side of the story. So previously, price was in a downtrend from November 24th up until about the 31st of December. And all of a sudden, January 1st, we saw a nice breakout of this downward pattern. So this tells me that the bears are losing their momentum, and we could be shifting in some sort of bullish uptrend now. So that was the bearish side, the downward trend. And also they had a measure move target towards the downside as well. This was all one large drop. They were trying to replicate a similar size drop in the future. This was the first attempt to replicate that drop towards the 19 cents level that failed. This was the second attempt that failed. And then now price invalidated that measure move target since this high right over here is above this high. So this tells me that we probably have seen a bottom at this 31 cents level, and we can continue to trend up higher. So that's the bearish side of the story. Now we can switch gears and look at the bullish side of the story. You can see that the price made a measure move right here, one leg up, followed by the second leg up. Price exceeded that target, which shows signs of strength. And now, since we had two legs up, we can combine the first two small legs to form one large leg. Now price is correcting lower, so we have one leg down right here. We could get another drop at the 36 cents level. As long as price finds support there, we can rally up to the 54 cents level. So overall, it looks like price has found at least a temporary bottom. We are making higher highs, higher lows. I'm expecting a correction to take place. Looks like Bitcoin is also looking slightly more bearish than bullish. So we could see a small drop for XLM and then a rally from there. So that's basically everything I see on the daily chart. There is some resistance currently in play at this 45 cents level. If you drag a line across 45 cents, you see that price was previously finding support from this level. It broke through that level, came up to find resistance, and now we're still below that level finding resistance as well. So even though this does look like it's setting up for higher prices, we don't know the future, and things can change and continue to be bearish. You could draw a trend line across this as well, and it looks like we're still kind of slightly bearish. So overall, it's setting up for higher prices, but if Bitcoin gets really bearish, then things can change. Take a look at the weekly chart. You see that the EMA is catching up, which is a good sign. Whenever price gets too far from the EMA, it will generally pull back to it. Let me go and zoom out on the chart. You can see that overall, the highs have been lower than the previous highs. So back here in 2018, price was right around that 92 cents level. That was the prior high. And then back here in 2021, the price was right around the 76 cents level, 79 cents level, so lower than the previous high. And now this high right here got rejected from the trend line. However, the bull cycle is probably not over. So there's a good chance that we probably will see a break of this bearish trend line for higher prices. So that's all I see for XLM against the US dollar on the daily and weekly charts. It looks like it's setting up for higher prices, but if Bitcoin gets really bearish, then we may just see XLM continue to trade down, probably back down to the 33 cents level. And maybe if you just readjust the measure move target, it would be at the 20 cents level. So I don't think that will happen. It looks like price has at least found a temporary bottom where we can rally off of. Especially, I just did an analysis on XRP. It did not look as bearish. And I believe these alts are setting up for higher prices very soon. That's all I have for XLM against the US dollar on the daily and weekly charts. This is Vee Trades, and thank you for your time.